guys, welcome to my house. So I'm here with my kids. Let's do a kid experiment. Okay, we got water here, right?
Right.
And then what next?
Hi, we're gonna ask the water ball. And I want to put it.
Put coloring?
Yeah, I want to put it. Wait, what am I gonna put? Oh! What am I gonna put? Maybe you can put the food coloring. Okay.
Alright, do it.
Only one drop. One drop. Not too much.
Wow. That's so cool, right?
No, it's gonna look like wine.
Okay.
I know it.
Then let's pour baking soda, right?
Right, thank you.
A big spoon.
Let me put it in there.
Okay, wait. It's a big, beside, it's a big spoon. Okay, you can do it. Be careful.
Wow! Come in.
Oh my gosh.
That looks like lava.
And then, what's the reaction?
Whoa! It's vinegar!
Woohoo! And then, are you ready?
Yeah!
Great face. Oh my god.
Let's take out the film. Oh, no.
Let's see.
Let's see what happens.
1, 2, 3.
Oh! When you put a little bit of red lava. It's hot lava. Let's do it again. Lava.
Oh my god. That's the best time of my life, guys.
Yes.
So, thank you. See you next video.
Yeah.
Bye.
Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe.